on, guys? So behind me I've got a Chrysler 300. This is a 2019 Chrysler 300S. I'm going to be doing a SCAR install in. So we're not going to mess with the door speakers or the factory head unit. We're just going to be installing subs, amp, and 2 tweeters for the rear. So let's go ahead and show you the components that we're going to be using. We're going to be doing the SCAR SDR fully loaded 8-inch enclosure. This is I believe 1000 RMS. Yep, 1000 watts RMS. These are wired to 1.33. So to match that, we've got the SCAR rp-1200, a kicker KIS LOC2 for getting the RCA signal from the door speakers, the SCAR premium amplifier wiring kit. This is a 4-gauge OFC kit, and we're also going to be installing some KWS01 80 watts RMS tweeters for the rear.
Let me praise you, give you a revolt card. Your first test, yeah, you get it. Show me how good you communicate when we start. Or you get dry. Show me your ain't no better.
All right, guys, got that one done. So the Chrysler 300S took a little bit longer than I expected. It took right around 2.5 hours, actually almost 3 hours with tuning and adjustments. The only reason it took more than 2 hours, normally an install like that should take about 2 hours, but with the Chrysler 300's trunks and all the little panels inside the trunks, it does take a little bit longer, unfortunately, because you got all those little clips that you got to take out and put in. The tweeter install went perfectly fine. The base install went fine. I did have one little hiccup where I had zip tied everything up, the LOC, the kicker LOC and all that. And when I was putting one of the panels up, I popped one of the cheap zip ties that came in the kit. So I had to go ahead and put bigger zip ties in. But after that, it was all good. So in the video, you don't really get to see the full force of the bass. Now, when my phone gets closer, you can tell that my phone starts to distort. It's got plenty of bass, no trunk rattle. He wanted the subs firing at the seats because he's got kids, so they're putting stuff back there. And also, he doesn't like a lot of trunk rattle, so I didn't turn it up super high. His bass is set at 0 on his head unit. He's got a bass knob in between the seats. Unfortunately, I didn't get any more clips. Hopefully, I will down the road. I'll ask him to send me some whenever he gets a chance. But he listens to a lot of rock, older rap, so those subs will do just fine for what he's going to be using it for. It's not like having some 15s that are going to be super low and super rattly, or a bunch of 12s. It's just 3/8. So turned out great. He's really happy. His wife's really happy. Wow, I'm shaking a lot in this video. I've got to finish this box up tomorrow. All I got to do is stain it, and the customer's going to get it this weekend, hopefully. But stay tuned for more videos, guys. Hope you all enjoyed.